Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Vanessa Helen here. Today we are going to be doing a video on the Kaleidos Cosmetics little Futurism package that they sent me. Now it comes with 3 palettes that they have here. The Futurism 1 Sci-Fi Green palette, the Futurism 2 Cyber Bronze palette, and then the Futurism 3 Astro Pink palette. Now I already used the Futurism 1 palette. I posted a video on my Instagram and I will put the link down below as always, so if you guys want to check that out. Just the colors right there. They're very beautiful. Nice greens. And then this is the Futurism 2 palette, which I think I'm going to be using today in this video. The Cyber Bronze. Bronzy. Quantum. Infrared. Plasma, Droid, Y2K, and then Carbon. All these colors are very bronzy. And then we have the Futurism 3 palette, the Astro Pink one. I actually put this on my daughter the other day. She liked the colors from here, so this is Cosmos right here, Neptune, Nebula, Lightyear, Stardust, and then Lunar. I think they did a great job on the colors in each palette because they look amazing. And we're just gonna jump right into it and use the Futurism 2 Cyber Bronze palette right here. Okay, so we're just gonna dip into the shade Carbon and pack that on to my crease. Beautiful dark brown color, like a chocolatey brown. So yeah, basically I've been suffering. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know I've been suffering with a sinus infection. And honestly, I feel like it's just getting worse. Last night, I could hardly sleep, and my poor daughter actually has allergies too. So we're both kind of suffering right now, you know? Poor little girl. So now we're just gonna blend this in. So now we're dipping into the shade Y2K. Just adding that right above that Carbon shade that we just did. And by the way, yes, I am trying a different method with my eyeshadow today because I have seen some amazing makeup artists do it this way, and their eyeshadow looks amazing. So I just thought I might try it out to see how it works. I am not half as good as they are, but I'm hoping this turns out well. And last, we are going to use that droid color. And just put that on top of the Y2K color, just above it. And then just keep blending the colors in. Okay, that is looking good. Now I am going to use the shade Quantum on the lid. And I'm just gonna take my finger, rub it in there, and just place it on the lid. Just like that. Okay. And now I'm just going to use a little flat brush and just take some more of that Quantum color and pat it on the lid and just sort of blend it in just like that. Because I really want to make this color pop. I knew I was gonna like this palette. I love the bronzy colors. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I'm all about the bronze. Alright, so I'm done with this eye look, you guys. I'm going to do it on the other side, put some lashes on, and then do the rest of my face, and then come back with a full face to show you guys how it looks. Okay guys, I am back with the finished look. I ended up putting the colors Carbon, Y2K, and then Droid underneath my eyes to give it a nice little smoky under eye. But this is the finished look from the Futurism 2 Cyber Bronze palette from Kaleidos Cosmetics. All the colors blended out really well. The Futurism collection is going to be available internationally on April 20th, 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So mark your calendars. And they are going to be sold for $24 US for each palette, or if you want to buy the full set, it is $59 US. I'm so very grateful to have been given the Futurism collection from Kaleidos Cosmetics. So thank you again, Kaleidos Cosmetics, for these palettes. They are amazing. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me using the Futurism 2 palette. If you guys have any comments, questions, or anything about it, just comment down below. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and just thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.